Welcome to the Mr. Lockston. Yes. I'm going to be unboxing something I've been waiting to get for quite some time. Permanent markered out my name. My name's Robert. Doesn't matter. Let's get started. Let's look at these things. Like my special little knife, like I can push, and I don't get stabbed. Push this. Be real careful. See that? Now, if you have something in your box that you don't want to wreck, this is another little tip right there. Use that to cut your box. Works great for the first line, but not this one. So we go like that. I'm excited. Can you tell? Rip it open. Oh, what is it? Look at that. Can you see what it is? No, it's not a bunch of things that you think it is. So they saved on shipping. They packed it all in there. No buffer system. They all come individually wrapped. Ooh-wee. How many I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We might gotta count this again. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Anything else? Any special notes? No, but it's a nice little box my cat might like. Let's see. You want this, cat? Go get that box. Go get the box. Oh, get the box. Get it. Maybe when she was a kitten, she could fit in there. Kiki, you don't want the box? Get the box. What was that? You want the box? I think the box is too small for her. I think I said she's too big for the cat for box the first time. All right. So this is what I unboxed. This is what I bought. I needed these really bad. I have trying to create a life where I build guitars. I focused on little strum sticks on my last video. One of these beauties. This is unfinished. Okay. So I gotta put the frets in today. Beauty. And this lighting on my camera is all wrong because it is not that rich in yellow, but it looks great. Maybe I should change my settings. Oh yeah, this is the one that's got the full back. Like it? Follow me on Facebook. Locks and Guitars at Facebook. All right, let's get to opening one of these things. Put these all back. So it looks like I got 2 decent sized screws. I'm not sure how strong they are, but I got a box full of big screws. And wall hangers. Unfortunately, I don't need those. Well, fortunately, I would say. Because my house is probably built in the mid-80s. It's kind of like a smart house. I got these child safety locks that you got to put the plug in and twist and then put it in. And then I got a humidifier, I got dehumidifier, central air. I got cement walls. I'm not even sure if these are long enough to fit in my walls because my cement board itself is this long. Then I have ply board. Then I have backing board. So I might even not even use these. So let's check these out. So it looks like I can fit these to any size, which is not what I was expecting. I was expecting them just to be one, but this is kind of neat. So that means I can squeeze these down on this. They can hold anything. Look at it. They can even hold my strum sticks. Oh, that's so awesome. They can hold my strum sticks. I'm going crazy about this. This is the freaking best buy I ever bought for these. I've been wondering, what can I hang my strum sticks on when I build one that I want? Well, there it is. So I got 10 of these, and I got to figure out where in my world am I going to put these in my house. So let's take you on a quick trip. I'm thinking like one there, maybe. I have to move my... It won't be so bad. It'll look good. One there, maybe one hanging underneath my shade here. Then I can fix this area here. And have one hanging here. Shit, I can have two hanging here. 1, 2. That'll look good. Yeah, I can hang my number 2 up. I thought it dazzled that bad boy. Then I can even hang this thing up. Hang all those up. It's a mess in here. I can hang this guy up. Look at this vintage trainer. I got the head downstairs. So I'm going to be able to hang some guitars up. And I'm super excited about that. Daughter's birthday. See the streamers? Well, I guess I'll show you in a different video when I get these all hung up. Or even hang up soon. I'm going to have a partner here soon to help me out. Maybe we'll do a video of that. And you are upside down. Till next time, the Mr. Locks, and have a great day.